Cheered on by friends, family and superior officers, 499 new recruits showed an impressive display of skills acquired during their training for Pakistan Coast Guards. Among the new entrants to the force are many belonging to religious minorities. A short conversation with Mohanlal, who just passed out, shows great patriotism and national pride.
आज मैं इस वर्दी में अपने आप को देख के बहुत खुश हूँ और मैं पाकिस्तान में मैंने जन्म लिया है और पाकिस्तान के खातिर जान देने की ख्वाहिश रखता हूँ और
The recruits say that encouragement and attention of their peers and teachers was exemplary of the principles on which the country was founded.
कभी हमें ये महसूस नहीं हुआ कि हम यहाँ जो ना किसी गैर मज़हब के बीच में हैं। सब ने बहुत ताउन किया और मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ अपने तमाम असातिज़ा का, जिनकी बदौलत आज मैं एक फ़ौजी चट्टान बन चुका हूँ और अपने
Although all the new recruits are very excited about the start of their careers, they are mindful of the perils they may face in the line of duty. Director General Pakistan Coast Guards Brigadier Javed Iqbal says the force is fighting against piling odds. The Uthal checkpost of Coast Guard was recently removed as a political gesture of leniency by the federal government, but Brigadier Iqbal lamented that its removal will lead to increased smuggling from the Afghan border.
उन नोडल पॉइंट्स को या उन बॉटलनेक्स को पकड़ा जाए जहां से ये चीजें निकल के आती हैं, तो उथल चेक पोस्ट इस सिलसिले में बहुत अहम किरदार अदा कर रही थी.
This year's graduating batch is the biggest in the history of the academy, but funding to the Coast Guard has decreased over the past 2 years. Morale among the defenders of the coast remains high, but more government resources are needed to reinforce the strength of this institution. With additional reporting from cameraman Yusuf, this is Mobin Nasir for Dawn News, Karachi.